Hello student, in this video I tell you about phagocytosis and pinocytosis. First I tell you these two processes are under endocytosis. Endo means inside. First I tell you about phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means cellular eating and pinocytosis means cellular drinking. All of you look at this diagram. Outside of the cell, this is plasma membrane, this one also plasma membrane. Outside of the plasma membrane, in phagocytosis some solid particles are there, but in pinocytosis here some extracellular fluids are present. So come to the definition about phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is an intake of solid particle with the formation of vesicles. This one is the vesicle formation, means folding of the plasma membrane. This structure formation is known as vesicle formation. And look at this folding structure of the plasma membrane. This folding structure of the plasma membrane is known as pseudopodia. Pseudopodia, pseudo means false and podia means food, means invagination of the plasma membrane. This is known as the formation of vesicle. This is called phagosome, while pinocytosis is the intake of liquid particles. What are the liquid particles? Liquid particles like enzymes, ions, hormones, etc. means intake of liquid particles with the formation of vesicles is called pinocytosis. So formation of vesicles called pinosome. This, when the vesicle formation takes place during the pinocytosis process, these vesicles are known as pinosome. When the vesicle formation takes place during the phagocytosis process, these vesicles are known as phagosome. So what is the basic differences between phagocytosis and pinocytosis? First point what we learn, phagocytosis is an intake of solid particle with the formation of vesicle called phagosome, while pinocytosis is the intake of liquid particles with the formation of vesicles called pinosome. Number 2, phagocytosis is used for defensive purpose by engulfing the foreign particles. All of you look at this diagram. These solid particles like bacteria, viruses, when enter into our body, some specialized cell of immune system, they try to destroy these harmful microorganisms. So in which process? By the process of phagocytosis. So phagocytosis is used for defensive purpose by engulfing. They engulf these foreign particles. And pinocytosis is used for intake of liquid particles like ions, amino acids, sugar, enzymes, etc. Next, phagocytosis, lysosome combine with phagosome for the formation of food vacuole, but in pinocytosis no role of lysosomes. Phagocytosis is performed by, I already told you, some specialized cells. What are the cells? Like neutrophils, macrophages and protozoans. Pinocytosis usually occur in the secretory cells, cell lining of blood capillaries. That's all about phagocytosis and pinocytosis.